In this video, I explain Samsung TV no signal. Today, we are going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV if you are getting a no signal error on your screen or have a blank screen. We are gonna show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient, wait for the 60 seconds, then plug it in back. This will reset your TV. If that not clear the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Look on the back or side of your TV. You want to make sure your HDMI cable is surely connected into back of the connector. Next, press the source button on Samsung TV remote. Go to HDMI port. Select the HDMI port number that the device is connected to your TV. This fixes your problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.